Joomla Nutshell. Hello, this is Elijah Clark here with JoomlaNutshell.com. And what I want to show you today is actually how to create a 1.6 website using Joomla. So we will install Joomla 1.6. And right now I'm using a cPanel. So yeah, you can use a cPanel if you choose, or you can use whoever you have for hosting. So it may be GoDaddy, which doesn't have a cPanel, or maybe something else. But the main thing that we want to do at this point is we just want to create a new database. So once I log into cPanel, I'm going to go to MySQL databases, and I'm going to click on that. It's going to take me to the database section where I can go and create this new database. I'm just going to put demo as the name of the database. Click back. And there it is, our database is created. Now we need to create a user for this database. I'm just going to put Elijah C. Password strength must be 5. Passwords cannot be empty. So let's put 1, 2, 3. Let me see. Let's put demo 1, 2, 3. That's going to be our password. And I'm going to create the user. So it's going to be Elijah C. demo 1, 2, 3. There we go. You want to make sure you keep that somewhere also, because we will need it here in a second. Now I'm just going to give access to Elijah C to the demo database, and I'm going to submit that. And I want Elijah C to have all privileges to the database, and everything should be set up there with the database. So there you have it. The database is set up, the user is set up, and now we need to get this website installed. We need to get the Joomla 1.6 on the website anyway. So as you can see, this is just the website. So I'm going to pull up another browser, another tab anyway. And I'm just going to go Google Joomla 1.6. Here we go. I'm going to go click on that, and let's go download it. And I'm going to download the stable full package here. All right, and that's saved there. It's actually saved to the desktop. Now I'm just going to go here. I'm actually going to go upload those files for that. Now what we want to do is we actually want to upload it to the server. So one way you can actually do it is you can just simply go to the files from your cPanel file manager. So you can just go here, or you can click anywhere else here. So I'm just going to go to file manager, and I'm going to upload it to the root of the website, Joomla Monster, and I'm going to click go. So here's the root. This is where everything is currently. There we have it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to upload a new file. And that file is going to be on the desktop. I'm going to go to the desktop, go to the package, install it. Alright, once you have it installed, you can actually click go back to the packages here. So here it is. This is where it is installed. And I'm just going to click on that just to highlight it. And then I'm going to go to extract. And it's going to extract this content right here. And after it's complete, we're going to go ahead and press close. And there you have it. Everything is extracted right here. And we can delete this package if we want to, in case you just want to save some space and whatnot. But there you have it. Everything's installed. I'm just going to move that over so we can take a look at it here. Going to go refresh the page. And here we are with the installation. So what we want to do next is we just want to follow these links anyway. Just click on clicking next until it gets to something where we can actually help set this up. So the first thing we're going to do is the database actually. Now I'm actually set up on a local host. Now you may find it different elsewhere. So your host name, you can actually go to your database to find this, or you can go to your hosting provider, ask them if you have no idea where it is. So you can set it up that way. And well, we'll just leave it there. And I'm going to put that username. And mine was Elijah C. Actually, it was Joomla Mo _ Elijah C. Password, what do we have? Demo 1, 2, 3. Database name, what was that? Joomla. It was Mo, and then it was demo. All right, everything looks good there. Old database. Let's just go ahead and remove that. And then I'm going to click next. There you have it. Now enable Ftp Layer. You can if you want to. I normally don't care too much for it, but it's something that you might want to set up if you plan on using that a lot. But I'm just going to skip that for now. The site name, I'm going to call it Joomla Monster because that's the site we're using here. The admin email, let's put elijahc@me.com. admin name, admin password. Let's just put 12345. And I like to install sample data. So if you ever get sample data, make sure you install it if you just want to play around with something. But don't go in there not knowing what you're doing and you don't have anything to work off of. So go ahead and install the sample data. Let's click next. And as you can see, installation is complete. We got the admin username. And next we just need to come and delete the installation directory. And I will show you that here. I'm actually just going to refresh this. I'm on joomlamonster.com. I can delete this package here. I could have also uploaded it here if I chose to, but I didn't care too much. So I'm going to come here and delete this. And I'm using this as transmit for Mac here. Now you could have also deleted it from the same location here. So you could have deleted the installation directory right here, of course, and use delete. So there's many different ways to delete those files. But I'm just going to wait for this to get done here. And then once it's done, we can actually either go to the site, the front end of the website, or the back end. And I'm just going to click the front end for now. And here you have it. Your site is now installed. This is how it will look. It looks awesome, I believe. And you can also click on the administrative portion, and then you can log into the back end of the website using your name and password that you created. And mine was admin12345. And there you have it. The installation is complete.